Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant QNT. I covered it again because we have seen some significant price movements. We talked about it yesterday. We talked about a price target. Price target, I think, achieved. Yeah. So let's take a look at what I said yesterday, and then we take a look at the updated Quant QNT TA. Give it the benefit of the doubt here and count this as a wave 1. We can count this as a 2, and we would now be in a 3, a 4 down, and a 5 up. That wave 3 though, what would be the price target? So what would now need to happen to become more bullish? We would now need to see, if we want to see confirmation, we would now need to get to at least 90, let's say $91 in this move up. Yeah, this is the next target. That would be a wave 3 here. That is what would need to happen. Then we get a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. And that wave 5 up, that will be the key, because until then, this could very well also be just an A, B, C pattern. So it's important to see now higher highs above the $78 level. Then we'll probably find resistance here in this red target area. Will come down a bit, probably like 20 to 30% of the price range from 2 to 3. And then we'll move up in a wave 5. Target for the wave 5 could be here the 2.618 FIB extension, the 116 US dollar level. So let's take a look at where we actually got to, and you can see we actually reached the price target. We did touch the $90 level, which is amazing. Gave you the $90 as resistance level, and we got to $90 and $89.99. Okay. So from here, yeah, this was pretty much confirmation that we have something more bullish going on. However, as I mentioned in the video, this could also just be an A, B, C wave. What is key now is that we see a wave 4 retracement and then the wave 5 to the upside. We need that next wave up. If we see one more wave up, then we have a first larger impulse complete, which would be amazing. It would take us, that fifth wave would take us above this resistance box, which is relevant, and above the 78.6% Fibonacci level. Bear in mind, months ago, I gave you this area here in yellow as a possible reversal point, as I did it with many other altcoins as well. The area between the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, between $48.50 and $91.90 pretty much. So this is a highly relevant reversal area, because from a higher level point of view, Quant made its wave 1 impulse back in September 21, similar to ADA, came down in a long correction. They move very similar, by the way, but here now it's decoupled. In a very long correction into this wave 2 target area, the larger wave 2, where we had this yellow area highlighted, and from here then, we can expect now a move up. How only, and that would be important if we see that next wave up, that wave 5, because until then we only have a 3 wave move, as you can see here. But we reached the price target I gave you yesterday, which is good. In both cases, I expected here that move up if the 78 level gets broken. And that took us exactly to $90. So that is good. Yeah. What you would normally see if we are very strong, if we have a very strong movement, you would expect to see here a little bit more than the 1.618. That would have been a very bullish scenario, but we haven't. So from the lower level point of view, you can count 5 waves up here in this impulse. This is then the wave 3. We now need to see where wave 4 will go. Maybe wave 4 already happened. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour chart. And then the wave 5 should take us to around $115, $116. This is what we need to see. So if we now make a higher high, get above that 78.6% Fib level. So first of all, above 90, but very relevant is the 78.6% Fib level at 91.65. If we get above that, then I think wave 5 is confirmed. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. So this could have been the wave 3. Let's take a look. This could have been already the wave 3. Could this have been the wave 4? We need to take a look at the retracement levels. So I'm going to do that by taking from the low to the high. Well, what I always tell you is the minimum for a wave 4 is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. We can also count 3 waves down, A, B, and C. So this could have already been the wave 4. Yeah, I'm very honest with you. It could have been the wave 4. Best evidence that wave 4 is complete above $90. Breakout above $90. So the minimum that you would need to do in a wave 4 is the 23.6% level. If we only get to that retracement level, it is considered very bullish because it's only a very light retracement. More likely is normally the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. That would be at $74. And it would max out the possibilities of a wave 4 if we go down to $69. That is the 50% level, 50% retracement. If we get there though, it would be really maxing out what it can do in a wave 4. And also we would avoid to get into the wave 1 price area. So I would still give it the possibility to come a bit lower. We can allow for it because at the moment, as long as we're not making a higher high above $90, all of this could just be an A, a B, and a C, maybe to the 38.2% Fib level at $74. So expect that, But if we make it above $90, I think the breakout is confirmed in a wave 5. And that would then take us to $115. Looking again at the higher level wave count. And by the way, if we, and let's take a look at the invalidation as well. Because at the moment I'm talking here about the bullish scenario where we need that higher high. So if we don't see a higher high, then come down, break this support, which would not be a problem at the moment. So break below 80, go to 74, that would still not be a problem. If we go to 69, it's already getting critical. But then if we come into the wave 1 price area, then that would be below $66, below $67. Then we have to think about, okay, was this just a fake out? For now, we can remain optimistic against $80 or even $74. So let's take a look at the higher level target, because can't remember if I mentioned that in yesterday's video, but a few people asked me. So we're looking here at, I think I did mention it. So we're looking here at $720 as a minimum for Quant to reach in a new all-time high scenario. That would be my first target in an all-time high, because this would then be a 1, a 2, and a 3. Again, with the 3, as we mentioned, as we managed to reach the $90 target, we would also reach here the $720 in a wave 3. That would be the minimum. Likely as well is the 200% level, 884, or even, but I think this is it then, the $1,149 level. Now again, in a new bull run, if we're really gonna break $1,000, imagine 1,000 is a huge psychological barrier. So I think at 1,000 is probably over. But these would be the targets. The first target, 720 in an all-time high scenario. And we know that Quant can pump quickly. It did surprise everybody last year. It pumped like crazy. Of course, all of this was corrected again. And again, what I have to tell you as well, if we now see this move to $115, there should be a retracement again. Yeah, let's say we get these 5 waves done, then we should see an ABC correction again. That would take us again here sort of into and I can only make assumptions at the moment. That would take us again into the region here around $87 to $69, maybe even a bit lower, depending on how bullish the sentiment is. So that would be, for anybody who thinks, I want to see more confirmation, that would then be another entry point, because after that, if this is really here a large wave 1, this a wave 2, then we should really see a rally afterwards. And that can then take us, and again, we can just sort of speculate a little bit again, that next larger wave then, if we assume this is playing out as I just told you. And again, we're speculating at the moment. This is what needs to happen for a breakout, Because then we're looking at the next higher level wave count. And that then, 1, 2, that wave 3 then should take us into the region of $200 and maybe more. So we already, it's getting interesting now. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Quant. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.